That's some grown man shit right there.
So, Thomas said that I'm the ugliest guy in the world. I don't appreciate that. I don't appreciate
That's what I feel.
Burps are fucking weird, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, that last one tastes like chicken. Spicy. Ugh. No.
You just do this one like this.
No. Come on.
You're not going to let you have any. Yorkshire pudding! One of my most favourite things in the whole life. But a little piece of I'm going to put something else.
Challenge. Oh, okay. Hold on. Hold on, he's gonna video this.
Throw it all away, and for what? You're